Guys, welcome back to the channel. You already know what time it is. It's iPhone season, so we have the iPhone 16 Pro and the Watch Series 10 in gold titanium. So let's do a first look and jump right into it. Taking a look at the iPhone 16 Pro packaging, we see a very familiar box with very minimum contents inside. Apple even got rid of the Apple stickers this year. Inside, we get a nice braided USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. You get information about the eSIM, and that's pretty much it. The iPhone 16 Pro unboxing experience is relatively the same as previous years, with the bigger changes happening to the screen and new camera control button on the devices. Speaking of the screen size, here's a list of specs you can expect with your new 16 Pro. Noticeably, the iPhone 16 Pro screen size increases to 6.3 inches from 6.1 inches on the 15 Pro. Comparing the 16 Pro to my 15 Pro Max, you can see the obvious height difference, with the 15 Pro Max being taller, but the overall screen difference, although felt, isn't major. The main selling feature of the new models is the camera control button, which is definitely going to take some getting used to, and something I will cover a little more in depth in the review. For now, here's a night video I took day one using the improved cameras on the iPhone 16 Pro. While the iPhone 16 Pro in black titanium looks great, if you're like me, you need to throw a case on your phone. So we also have the Plum MagSafe silicone case from Apple to toss on this iPhone. I'm not too sure how I feel about the plum color yet, but it doesn't look too bad on the 16 Pro. Moving on to one of my favorite smart accessories, Apple Watch. This year we got the Series 10 Apple Watch in gold titanium, and man, this thing looks sick. You can definitely notice the screen size increase if you're coming from previous watch models like the Series 8 I have here. The bigger screen and thinner design make this watch an improvement over earlier models in my opinion. In case you're wondering, here are some of the key specs of the new Watch Series 10. If you're coming from a Series 8 or older, you may be getting a big update by going with the Watch Series 10 this year. Guys, this was a quick first look. You gotta let me know what you think of the new iPhone 16 Pro models and of the Watch Series 10. Will you be getting either or sticking with your current devices? Maybe you're an Android user and you would never be caught using an iPhone. Either way, I want to hear about it in the comment section below. Guys, thanks for watching the video. As always, you are much appreciated. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. iPhone season, baby.